Hello, good morning. Today is Saturday and it's market day. Pero yung market is mamaya pang alas 6. So today is like around before 11 a.m. So we just save our spot kasi this is a free event. So kailangan mauna ka sa spot mo kasi this is a first come first serve. But I always go on that area, this is spot. Yung iba naglalagay na ng canopy. Pero mamaya maglalagay ako. We will go back around 4 p.m. to set up. So ayan, may mga nagse-set up na rin. So this is the historical plaza here. Ayan yung it's a Catholic church. Ayan, so later babalik kami ng 4 para mag-set up ng the rest of our stuff. Ayan, we're ready na to go later sa market day. So, niready na namin lahat ng mga gamit dito sa truck. So, mamaya, punta kami ng around 4 p.m. Kaya tapos na ang aming setup. Ngayon ay 5:27. 30 minutes na lang mag-start na yung market day. Actually, they call it Moonlight Market kasi from 6 to 10 p.m. siya. So, dumating kami ng alas 4, I'm sorry. Para mag-set up. It took us 1 hour para matapos lahat. And you can see medyo mahangin, nagkandahulugan na yung mga octos. So ito yung aking mga paninda, and that's my banner, handmade plushies, Pinay Aeronautics, and ito yung aking mystery boxes, and then claw machine for $1, and then these are my clearances here, and yung aking keychain. So ayan na yung setup. May mga nagdadatingan din mga ibang vendors kasi meron ding mga pagkain, ayan, everything, crafts. Ayan, nagse-set up na sila. And then later I'm gonna update you about sa market. So just I'll let you know later. I hope it's a good sale tonight. And I'll see you later. The market is over. Ayan yung mga natira. Ayan na lang yung mga ibang natira. Ayan. Okay. These are the leftover. As you can see, nilagay ko dito yung aking banner kasi sobrang hangin. And then kanina may bumili lahat ng mystery boxes, inubos niya yung 5. Ayan na lang yung natira. It's almost 10 p.m. na. Ito na lang din yung natira sa mga clearances. Ayan. Medyo na ransack na. At ayan. Sobrang daming mga bata naglalaro ng claw machine. Hindi ko na namalayan, mabuti na lang napaka-honest ng mga tao dito. Binalik yung malaki kong actual possums. Kasi kinuha daw nung anak niya, buti binalik. Ayan, ito na lang ang natira.